Hello guys, welcome to my channel and I will here try to create these cool line art designs in Photoshop. My voice is not so clear and so cool and I am first time here, so I hope you will understand me, and at the end, if you like my design, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, let's start here. Create a canvas of your own choice. Create an empty layer. Take elliptical marquee tool. Hold on shift key and create a circle. Right click this circle and stroke it with 2 pixel black color. Press OK. Create another empty layer. This time we will create a line of 2 pixel. This time take rectangular marquee tool. Change its style from normal to fixed size. Change width to 2 pixel and height 100%. Click anywhere in the screen. Press Alt and Delete to fill it with foreground color. Now also centralize this line. Now we will delete all the extra part of this line. Select delete this part. Also select and delete this part. Duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J, Ctrl T to transfer. Hold on the shift key and rotate it to 90 degree. Now we have a circle with 2 cross lines, but we will have to keep only this part of the circle, and we will delete all these parts. First select all these 3 layers, press Ctrl E to merge them. Now delete from it here. I am deleting this way, you can use your own way. Okay, now we have this only pie part, or you can say it arc part, whatever you can say it. Now we will colorize these 3 layers with 3 different colors. Create another layer and clip it with this the down layer. Brush tool, take a brush tool, take any color of your choice and paint this line. Take second color and paint this line. Take third color and paint this line. Okay, now press Ctrl E to merge these 2 layers into a single layer. Now we will transfer this layer while making it another copy. We will here press Ctrl Alt and T to transfer it. The difference between Ctrl T and Ctrl Alt T is Ctrl T only is used to only transfer the layer, rotate or transfer anywhere, while Ctrl Alt T transfer it and keep make an other copy of the layer. So let's start. move the center point to this point, hold shift key and press this point to inside. Now rotate from it here, right on this line, the point on this line, press enter. You can see we have a transfer this layer, and also we have a duplicate copy of this layer. Now we will hold shift, control, alt and keep on pressing T to make this cool design. Wow. Okay, select all these layers and press Ctrl E to merge them to a single layer. We have a single layer and a design like this. Duplicate this layer and off it for further use. Select the down layer, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J. Now press Ctrl T, move the center point to this point and change its width to -100%. Press enter. Apply. Merge them by pressing Ctrl E. Again press Ctrl J to duplicate it, Ctrl T, and this move this center point to this point and change the height to -100%. Height, sorry, no width, what height to minus -100%. Apply. We have this cool design. Select these two layers. Press Ctrl G to make a group of this group on the above created layer. Duplicate it. Press Ctrl T. This time we will not move its center point and change its width to -100%. Press enter. Ctrl E to merge them, duplicate, Ctrl T, and its height to -100%. Sorry, height, not width. Height to -100%. Press enter. Select them and Ctrl E to merge them. You can now resize them to make this visible, more visible. Off this layer, on the group layer, open the group. Off this layer, now this time duplicate this layer by Ctrl J, Ctrl T, and change its height to -100%. Apply. Merge them by Ctrl E. Oh sorry, क्या हो गया? Oh, I think something wrong with it. Sorry. Okay, merge them by Control E, or rotate them to 90 degree, centralize, apply again one more duplicate, Control E, Control T, and rotate it to 90 to have this design. I hope you will like this video, and if you like it, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.